seen in two ways. One is, of course,
agenda for 2012-13 and beyond over the next half an hour or so, and then we would be very happy to take questions. To set the tone for the discussion, I will start with briefly reflecting upon the status of the Indian economy and the key growth indicators, and will also give a macro perspective on the measures that need to be adopted to put the economy back on a strong growth trajectory. I will then elaborate on CII's theme and its plan for 2013 in different sectors, and will conclude with our main agenda for the coming year. This is a chart that presents economic growth over the last few years, broken up into various sectors. A little bit about the current economic situation. The growth rate for industry, which includes mining, manufacturing, utilities, and construction, is the key cause of concern, with the growth rate plummeting to 4.5% in 2011-12. Services have been holding up, but is likely to start moderating in view of the industrial slowdown. More frequently reported numbers such as monthly industrial growth and core sector growth are even more disturbing, showing very low growth rates over the past year. Industrial data has been very volatile, and the credibility of the data is a serious question. Some of the core sectors such as coal, oil and gas, and fertilizers are showing stagnation in output. Corporate profit performance has suffered in the last few quarters. Aggregate results of the BSE 500 companies shows that while sales growth continues to be robust, the profit margin has shrunk, and PAT has in fact declined. This is different from the impact of the global financial crisis in 2009, when sales declined, but companies were able to maintain profit margins by cutting costs. The rise in input costs have hurt corporates, as they have not been able to fully pass on these increases. The growth in fixed capital formation has been moderating over the last few years. The investment GDP ratio, which had reached a peak of 38.1% in 2007-8, has moderated to 35.1% as
Countdown, presented by BSE Investors Protection Fund.